beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. On today's video I want to show you how you can make ketchup from the comfort of your home. Guys, guess what? You just need your fresh tomatoes and some habanero pepper. Let's go, guys. In your pot you're going to be putting in the tomatoes. That's it. You add in water enough to cook it. The water should slightly be above the tomatoes. You cover it and put it on fire. Now let's allow it to cook. And this is after 30 minutes of cooking. This is what we have. So I'll put off the heat source and turn this into a sieve. Allow it to cool off before we blend. So this is our vinegar. Keep making this at interval. I'll go in with my red food coloring.